Hi, this is Molly from Beast Marketers. Chris asked me to shoot this video just to show you what we're finding when we look up your website as well as some competitors in your areas. So looking at your site, it's a really great one. Obviously, this is your national site and you have a lot of back pages leading to local, most likely franchise owner sites. So I wanted to take a look at your analytics and see basically how the site's performing. So you do have over 100,000 backlinks coming from over 800,000 referring domains. Nearly 7,000 of those are do follow, so that's really great. You're ranking for 149,000 keywords, and that's bringing in 322,000 hits to your website a month. And those hits are spread across not only your main site, but all your back pages, all your franchisee sites. So I wanted to take a look and check out what keywords you're ranking for. The majority of the keywords are informational or branded type of keywords. But what I was curious is how many of these are actually local buyer intent. I went through and I made a list of everything that's local buyer intent that is ranking, bringing in more than 15 hits a month to your site. And out of that, I got about 149 of these. The majority of them are near me type of searches like this, house cleaners near me, or professional disinfecting services near me. And it wasn't until about 49 hits a month did I find something that is actually a location rather than just near me. So in the near me game, you guys are absolutely killing it. What I'm not seeing is the franchisee sites getting those hits. So I decided to take a look. I'm going to go ahead and search, do a local buyer intent search. And just a heads up, so adding up these, that's about 22,000 hits out of 322,000. So the other 300,000 are roughly informational or branded. So I decided to look up cleaning services in Philadelphia. Now, as you know, the first thing that comes up when people search cleaning services is the Google Maps area. Your franchisee owners, they want to do whatever they can do to make sure that their individual site is ranking in this Google Maps profile. As you know, 30 to 40% of people who are going to search cleaning services Philadelphia, they're going to stop and click on someone in the top 3 right here. And so that's a large number of clicks that those franchise owners could really be capitalizing on if they make the most out of that Google business profile. Now, ways that they could do that, make sure that they've got every one of them has got that profile filled out completely, and they've got to optimize using those keywords. Make sure that they're posting weekly geotagged and branded photos. They also want to be reviewing or responding to every Google review that they receive. That's so important. Most business owners forget that they're supposed to be doing that, but that would really help them rank. And as you know, the very most important part of ranking up here is those citations. If they take the time, go out, make sure that their individual website and business is listed in all those directories such as Yelp, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages. There are thousands of directories that every single franchise owner could be going out and listing. And so these are things that they can do without having to rely on anything with their website changing. They can take the time or hire someone or put in that effort to make sure that their Google business profile is ranking in their respective areas. Coming down here, checking out the local competition, I decided to click on this Scrub It Clean and see how they're doing. So here's their website. They're getting ranking for 259 keywords, bringing in 789 clicks to their site a month. And it's because they're ranking for these really high volume keywords. So like I said, you guys are doing great when it comes to somebody searching maid services near me. But 1.8 thousand people a month are searching maid services Philadelphia. There are also 1,000 people are searching house cleaning services Philadelphia. And so because of their rankings on the first page, they're getting a lot of those hits, but that leaves a lot more to distribute out between those top ranking sites. So your franchise owner can be making sure that they're ranking on the front page for these high volume search words such as, house cleaning Philadelphia 450 times a month. So just taking a look, let's see how the franchise owner is doing. They're only getting 66 clicks to their website a month. And so that's a big difference between them and the top ranking competitor in that area. I did the same. I went ahead and searched for house cleaning Boston. And so what I'm finding here, again, Google Business Profile, these are the top 3 ones ranking. The franchise owners in Boston could very easily be ranking up here as well if they put in that work. So I decided, let's go farther down. Let's see how number 7 is ranking. Patriots Maids. What are they bringing in? So Patriot Maids are ranking for 1.8 thousand keywords and getting 780 clicks to their site a month, as opposed to the Maids one in that same area. They're only getting 73 clicks to their site a month, and it's because they're not ranking in these keywords. So let's take a look. Again, what are the high keywords for the Boston area? Boston house cleaning, 350 times a month. Boston cleaning, 500 times a month. House cleaning Boston, 350 times a month. So there's no reason why that franchise owner can't capitalize on those keywords as well. Let's see how they're doing. So again, these are branded. Let's house cleaning service in Boston, 350 times a month. They're only getting 2 clicks because they're ranked on page 17. So they're not ranking high for much at all in their area. In fact, the only thing they're really ranking for are branded keywords. But local buyer intent, they're getting beat out every time. And the last one, I did the same thing. Let's go ahead and search here and see how we're doing. This is for San Diego, which San Diego has got a huge search volume for cleaning services. 1.6 thousand times a month is cleaning services San Diego being searched. This website, they're only getting 14 of those hits because they're ranked in position 15. And as you can see, all their positions are ranking. They're not ranking on the front page for really anything unless it's a branded keyword. So like we said, you're doing awesome with the near me, but not capitalizing on cleaning services location specific is leaving a lot of customers on the table, and your franchise owners can get their money's worth for the website that they're paying to rank, to bring in customers, because right now those websites are really just sitting as a digital business card. So wanted to send you guys some information. We hope that it's been beneficial. We would love to help you guys out with this, or if not, just give you this information so that you can go and help these franchise owners yourselves. Either way, we're happy to just help out and give the information. We would love your feedback if nothing else. Thanks so much and have a great day.